Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Figma. Notion offers a flexible workspace for organizing information, managing projects, and building comprehensive knowledge bases. It's like a digital Swiss Army knife for your data. Figma, on the other hand, is a specialized design tool, perfect for crafting user interfaces, creating interactive prototypes, and collaborating on visual designs in real time. They address different core needs, yet often find a place together in modern teams. Delving into features, Notion empowers you with customizable databases, integrated wikis, and dynamic document creation, making it superb for content management and structured information. Figma provides a powerful canvas for vector graphics, allowing designers to build intricate user interfaces and high-fidelity prototypes. Its real-time collaboration means multiple designers can work on the same file simultaneously, fostering incredible team synergy. Each tool shines brightly in its respective domain. When it comes to teamwork, both Notion and Figma offer exceptional real-time collaboration, allowing multiple users to edit and comment simultaneously. Notion integrates with hundreds of popular applications, from communication tools like Slack to development platforms like GitHub, creating a centralized hub. Figma, with its thousands of community plugins and strong developer handoff features, seamlessly fits into design and engineering pipelines. Your choice might depend on which integrations are most critical for your team's existing ecosystem. So, who are these tools for? Notion is perfect for individuals and teams needing a flexible system for notes, tasks, and knowledge management, acting as a central source of truth. Figma is the go-to for designers and product teams building digital products, from mobile apps to websites, focusing on visual fidelity and user experience. Often, the most effective approach is to use Notion for your operational backbone and Figma for your creative design efforts, harnessing the strengths of both.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.